Top 3 grafting methods for beginners. Want to grow fruit trees like mango, citrus, guava, and more that bear fruit faster and stay true to your favorite variety? Grafting is the way to go, and it's easier than you think. In this video, we'll break down the top 3 easiest tree grafting techniques perfect for beginners. Cleft grafting, great for strong, young rootstocks. How it works. A deep cut, a cleft, is made down the center of a cut rootstock branch. Then you take a scion, young mango twig, that has a wedge-shaped end and insert it into the cleft. The cambium layers, green-growing layers just under the bark, of both parts should align on at least one side. Seal with grafting tape or wax. Pros: simple to do with basic tools. Good success rate if done when sap is flowing. Ideal for rejuvenating older trees. Tips: use healthy, disease-free scion wood with visible buds. Keep the graft moist but not wet. Protect from sun and wind. Whip grafting. Whip grafting is a simple and effective method of joining two plants together, typically used for fruit trees like mango, apple, and pear. The goal is to take a scion, a small branch from a desired tree variety, and attach it to a rootstock, a young plant or seedling, so they grow as one. When and why to use it. Best time: late winter to early spring, before new growth starts. Used when the scion and rootstock are similar in size, usually pencil thick. How it works. Make a slanted cut on both the rootstock and the scion, about 1 to 2 inches long. Match the two cut surfaces so the cambium layers, just beneath the bark, touch. Wrap the joint tightly with grafting tape to keep it in place and protect it. After a few weeks, the two pieces grow together and form a graft union. Benefits of whip grafting. Creates a strong connection between the scion and rootstock. Simple and cost-effective. Only basic tools are needed. High success rate when done correctly. Budding grafting, T-budding or chip budding. Ideal if you want high success rates. How it works. Instead of grafting a twig, you graft a single bud from the scion variety. A T-shaped cut is made in the rootstock bark, then a bud shield is slipped under the bark flaps. The area is then wrapped tightly, leaving the bud exposed. Pros: economical, many grafts from one scion stick less damaging to rootstock. Great for mass propagation. Tips: works best when the bark is slipping, easily separates from the wood. Bud must be healthy and mature. After a few weeks, cut above the bud to force it to grow. We'll walk you through each method step by step so you can graft with confidence, even if it's your first time. Whether you're in a backyard garden or a small farm, these grafts can boost your mango growing success. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.